Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. I'm going to show you around today a late 2016 66 plate Volkswagen Caravelle in Indium Grey. Superb vehicle this, we supplied it to the previous owner. Lovely low mileage, very high spec example. This is the 204 PS bi-turbo vehicle with the LED front and rear lights. Very expensive option, full Sportline styling kit. You can see it's got the gloss black grills and the matte contrast badges too. Front parking sensors, which were an option. I will start off by saying, nearly 6 years old, that there will be the odd small stone chip around the vehicle. I'll show you all around it, anything notable I'll point out to you. But in beautiful condition, this, we've had a good look around it. So you got a little stone chip on the front there. But looking down the sides, lovely and straight, dent-free down the sides there. It's got gloss black 20-inch alloy wheels with brand new Pirelli Scorpion Zero tyres all round. It's the best part of £800 worth of tyres. Got the sidebars and the roof rails. The gloss black pack, which extends to the side repeaters and wing mirrors too. Now, very rare on a Caravelle is the opening side windows. Normally they're all flush fit. So this has got the opening side windows and of course privacy tints. Moving inside, we've got leather alcantara seating. The Caravelle dash. Now, standard things on this executive model are heated front seats and 3-zone climate control plus electric sliding doors. Has got the satellite navigation option, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control there, and as mentioned, the front and rear sensors on this too. It's got a hard wearing rubber front mat. I'll just show you the seats as well. All in good order. So moving into the rear of the vehicle, as mentioned, electric sliding doors. Now in the second row, you've got two swiveling captain seats. So they can face the rear seats, as in this setup, or alternatively, they can be swiveled to face front. And just in the roof here, you've got a digital control panel, which the rear occupants can use to set their climate control. Table in the middle, slides up and down the rails, triple bench seat at the back, which can also turn into a bed. Just going to go panel by panel down the side here so you can get a good look at the vehicle. Just a small little mark there, which we've touched in on the wheel arch. Been debadged apart from the Volkswagen badge in the middle there at the back. Just give it a nice clean look. Got the high level Sportline spoiler and the carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. This one's also got the reverse camera option. And we've pushed the seats all the way back here just to show you the minimum amount of boot room. That can obviously be vastly increased by sliding the triple seat forwards. Looking down the driver's side again, dent free and a lovely even finish to the paint. This one's been lowered 30mm, so it sits really well on those 20-inch wheels. Again, we'll just go down the panels. If there's anything to point out, I'll mention it to you. While we're looking around it, I'll just mention it's got a full service history, just been serviced and had the DSG gearbox oil changed. Now another benefit is this had a brand new engine 9,000 miles ago at Volkswagen at cost of £7,000. So essentially the engine has only done 9,000 miles. Total mileage 47,928 as of today. Does have the power folding mirror option too. And very, very rare option for a Caravelle of this age. It's got the premium front seat pack, which is electric memory driver's seat and electrically operated passenger front seat. Nice to be able to really get your seat comfortable in these. Now it comes with 6 months warranty, and on the website we've got a full description and more than 20 photos there. That's at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We welcome part exchanges and we can provide competitive finance facilities. So if you're interested, please do get in touch and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.